Let's start today's lesson, friends. I have many tattoo inks, from different companies and in different shades. So in today's lesson I am going to tell that which company's color do I use. Sometimes I do not have any color, so I mix these colors and make the required shade. So let's start with black ink first. Artists remain doubtful about black ink, which black is the best. Especially new artists remain more confused. I have triple black from Dynamic, which I often use for name tattoos. But if shading work is also to be done, then I use this ink after diluting it. This is followed by True Black of Intense. And the triplet of Eternal is black. I use it a lot, like whenever I go out to work like a studio, I take it with me. Instead of taking a big bottle, I take a small bottle. True Black is also very good as if shading is to be done. Normal black also comes in Dynamic, and that too gets diluted very well. So brand doesn't matter, company and color doesn't matter if your work is good. All colors can give good results. Yes, Dynamic ink is very good, very popular, good result too, so I would say that Dynamic ink is best for you. After that, the most used color is red. Now see how many varieties are there in red itself. This is red's family. If you are using any color, then it will be good if you keep buying the whole family. Carry different tones and different shades, so that you do not have to mix the color again and again. You don't have to make another color by mixing white color or other color with it. With that, the work will be much faster and the result will be much better. Now I use lipstick red like Eternal. Hot pink and pink, this too is of Eternal. The bright red of Intense is a very nice color. Radiant comes blood red, this is also a very good red color. World Famous also have a good red. The lollipop pink of Intense is also the best color. The whole family of this red is very good and the result is good. Now coming to green color is very less used. It is mostly used in peacock feathers. So I have the spearmint green color of Eternal in this. After that I use World Famous normal green color. And one is dark green in Intense, it is also a good color. This blue color family. It also has different shades. It's lavender, it's peacock blue, and it's sky blue. These three are links of the Eternal. It is followed by Star Bright's ink, midnight blue. Then there is sky blue ink from World Famous, and then there is royal blue ink from World Famous. Okay, so I've bought the whole family. Now coming to the set of white color, Dynamic white works the most in this. And the Eternal also has a good result. I have just started using Radiant, it also has very good results. Even in this you can see that it is Radiant white. This is also a very good ink, I have just started using it. It is not that all are not good, all inks are very good. Another white comes in Dynamic. High white, it is very thick. There is a lot of difficulty in using it. It has to be used after diluting. The normal one is better than the Dynamic high white. A high white also comes in Intense, that too is very thick. It is the darkest white and dries very quickly. There is a lot of difficulty in using it as well, that's why I have rejected it now. So you see which white you want. After that, coming towards the yellow family. In this I use Intense lemon yellow. I use golden yellow of World Famous, and sunflower yellow of Eternal. Soft orange is a great color for Intense. And if I want a little dark orange, I mix a little red in it. After that, the dark brown Eternal is also a good ink. So the result of this is also very good. Brown color is rarely used, in this I have the same skin tone. This is a family of brown color, in this I will show you the Radiant one. There is Bamboo shade, followed by Pal Flash. This ink is from Radiant. And Intense is normal brown. And the last one is Radiant's dark brown. So these are its shades. If I want more shades in it, then I mix the color and make it and use it. So you have seen that I have different shades of almost all colors, they have a family. So I would say that the brand of color does not make any difference. You just need to know how to reduce. You should know how to fill color, you should know which color should be set correctly on which skin. All the tattoo inks available in the market are from good companies, no ink is local. You just have to see which color you are using on which skin. So friends, I hope you have liked the information and this video will be beneficial for you. See you in the new lesson, till then bye. Thanks for watching.